Hi, Connor.
You can like
Hello there.
ask questions if you want, like what kind of tree you
What
want
you doing, Mom?
Mama,
I'm
she's already taken
going.
a
Actually, I
video,
can take
you
my
know.
coat off.
He's already taken a video, you know.
We are going up to the mountains to chop down our Christmas tree.
Ooh.
Chop, chop, chop.
What you doing, Dad?
Driving on some icy roads.
What you doing, Connor?
Waiting.
Oh, guys, it got warmer outside. It's 8 degrees now.
Wow.
Wow. I'm chewing gum.
Christmas tree.
Where? Oh, I
Christmas
missed
tree.
it. Ah.
There's a lot of trees coming out.
Look at outside.
So pretty. So pretty.
So pretty.
Look at those trees, kid. Over here, kid. Look at these trees.
Whoa, so many
It's a
trees.
little forest. Do you see any animal footprints down in there?
I don't
I
see
do.
any.
Yeah.
With my glasses now, I can. Without my glasses, I can't.
Oh, I can see some actually.
I see deer.
Me too.
I see man.
Man
Walking.
footprints.
They look like man-shaped footprints. Just walking
Okay,
around
that's
this
the end of
one
the
tree.
video.
They could be.
Walk, walk.
Goodbye, Mommy.
Goodbye, my love.
Goodbye, Connor.
Bye.
Bye, Daddy.
Hey, is this an entrance